Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. Today I wanted to do a quick walk-on video of a 2020 Harris 230 Cruiser. This model is got the SL layout, so the single lounge, which is a swivel lounge back here in the back. So you can be sitting facing forward here, couch style seating. Then you can flip this forward so you can have reclined seating back here on the sun pad. Makes for a large space, real comfortable, safe seating. This is set up with the stainless rail on the outside, so the fencing goes to the outside of the boat, so you're safe to sit back here while the boat's underway. This model's rigged with a 150 4-stroke Mercury. And then you can see we also use a telescoping stainless ladder. We upgraded to that as well. Makes it really nice, climb up out of the water if you've been swimming. Underneath this back here is storage. Giant storage space back here. We just took this one out of shrink wrap, so some of this stuff hasn't been installed in the boat. There's an acrylic table. We've got a movable armrest, cup holder, so you can move it where you need it back here. Inside here, underneath this corner seat, is where your battery compartment is. So that's where your battery is going to be, your battery switch. Alright, underneath this little part here, they put a trash can, so you have a way to dispose of any waste. Real convenient there. I want to go through the helm here for you. Analog gauges. So we've got a speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, and trim. Speaking of trim, this model does have Mercury's active trim. And active trim just basically automates the trim process, so you do have control of it normally on the shift lever, but if you turn on the active trim, it's going to handle that for you while you're driving. Also on the dash here, we've got a 5-inch SIMRAD. So your fish finder, depth finder, and GPS are all right there on the fish finder, on the SIMRAD. And a Fusion stereo head unit there for the stereo. Tilt wheel, stainless in the middle. Also a real comfortable seat there from the captain, high back captain's chair with folding armrests, so you can make that comfortable for however you want to sit. Coming up to the front of the boat here, got a chaise lounge, both sides. Again, there's storage underneath throughout, so you can store all the things you might need. They also put these front ones on a double hinge so they stay open, so you're not going to get smacked in the head while you're reaching in there to get anything out that you might need. Inset cup holders, so they're out of the way, so you're not bumping into them. You can put your cups in there and keep them out of the way. They're also lighted, so they look really cool at night, and also help you find them in the dark too. And there's some storage back there behind, so you could stash cell phones or a book if you're out there relaxing on the water. You stash your book in there. Again, storage underneath this seat as well. In the floor, got a giant ski locker, pardon me. So you can put your skis, anything else you need for your towing sports and stuff down there. More storage under this side seats as well. Again, inset cup holders with lights. So that's a quick walkthrough, some of the features on this boat. Come by and see us at MarineMax Dallas. You can catch us on the phone, 972-436-9979, or you can get us at marinemax.com 24/7. Thanks, have a great day.